Picture this. You're creating stunning transformations that make people light up with confidence, and you're getting paid incredibly well to do something you absolutely love. That's exactly what happens when you graduate from Elite Cosmetology College. Our comprehensive cosmetology program doesn't just teach you techniques. We prepare you for real success in one of the most exciting and profitable industries in the world. You'll master everything from trendy hairstyling and coloring to makeup and facial techniques that keep clients coming back again and again. What sets Elite Cosmetology College apart? We're right here in the heart of Los Angeles, surrounded by endless opportunities. Our instructors are working professionals who know exactly what today's salons and spas are looking for. Ready to transform your future? Contact Elite Cosmetology College today to schedule your campus tour and discover how quickly you can start building the beauty career you've always dreamed about.